We have with us today Colonel Sureshan and his brother Nandan. Welcome to Media, sir.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Media. Their exhibition called June Let's Conceal Nothing is being held at Jahangir Art Gallery, Mumbai. They are exhibiting here for the first time. Let's talk to the two brothers and know about more. Mr. Sureshan, tell us about your exhibition, the title, June Let's Conceal Nothing. What does it mean and how did you got this title?
Actually, the name is given only because we are conducting the show in the month of June. And June has got a is a very peculiar month. See, after the summer and all, the sky starts packing up and it starts drizzling. We expect rain. That time what happens generally, there is some ek parda hai. There is the nature is not as bright as summer. So in our painting, we don't want to hide anything. We are telling June, let's not conceal anything. We want to get opened up.
You and your brother Nandan are having this exhibition together for the first time in Mumbai.
No. Yeah, Mumbai first time.
Yeah. So what has been the experience so far?
So far, we have been getting on very well, and this is our seventh exhibition together. And this last month we had an exhibition at Bangalore, and a good response. We got very good media coverage, and the people like our paintings because we both are dealing with different subjects, and therefore for every kind of people, type of people, there is something to observe, something to watch.
Next, tell us. You told me just now you're dealing with different subjects.
Yes.
So with this particular exhibition, what is the different thing about your painting and his painting?
See, my brother Nandan he is a specialist in Buddha.
Okay.
In all his paintings, you will find Buddha. Buddha will be the central figure, and at the background, he depicts the life of Buddha, right from his birth, and his, all kind of incidents, and his love towards the nature, human being. And Buddha especially, the Buddha has got a very peculiar kind of expression. Because Buddha is one person, he knows everything, that content face there. And he watches, he observes, he is a witness to everything.
What about your painting?
My painting, I like abstract arts, and my 7 paintings are here, in abstract type. And also, I am an illustrator, a poet. I also write poetry.
Okay.
And most of these illustrations are made for my poetry. So every illustration has got a theme, and around 60 illustrations are exhibited here.
So you've been into the army all your life. How
Yes.
did you combine this poetry, exhibition, and art? Tell us about that. What did you?
Me,
was it a hobby or did you
see,
pick it up?
all the writers and artists, all their works come out of experience. So an army man has got tremendous kind of experience. We travel a lot, we meet people, we go to different parts of the country, and that itself is inspiration for my work, all kind of work.
So when did you actually start painting, and how did you get time from your army days to paint and write poetry? Tell us about that.
See, right from my child, my father being a teacher, I used to read a lot, and I had a passion for writing, and then also my father's friend was my drawing teacher. So I had been brought up among these teachers. So I started painting, and once I joined army, I could not pursue my hobbies, but at the same time, although I did not do it seriously, I had been writing and I had been painting. After retirement, I started doing it seriously. Yeah.
So what excites you more, the days in the army or painting?
No, both.
Okay.
I love army, so and, I love this thing also.
Tell us about this painting. I mean, what is it?
See, I would like to categorize paintings into 2. That is, one is, let's say, realistic work, and other one is abstract work.
Right.
Abstract work means this is an abstract work. Now, like 100 people are coming and watching this painting, they are actually seeing 100 paintings. And I didn't purposely give a title to the painting, so that I don't want to restrict their idea, I don't want to channelize their thoughts. Now, I would like to give the name, the pendulum, to the
Pendulum.
pendulum. Now you look at this is a clock and this is a pendulum. But again you look at this is not pendulum. This is a pendulum shaped thing.
Right.
You see, there is depth into that.
Right.
Maybe you can say a well. Now the movement of the people you see, they move like this. Just pendulum type of movement. A rhythm, that is their life. They keep moving, moving. But the movement is bam,
They fall down.
you fall down. So it is something like you can say the life. And see, there are planned work and certain painting we don't plan. This I made, but if you see that painting, that just happened. So some people, without any thought, we
just
start making something.
Naturally.
Naturally, automatically something happens. And that kind of works, I think they are greater than the planned work.
Mr. Nandan, tell us about this work of Gautam Buddha.
उसको बिल्कुल एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है
Okay.
लेकिन वो भी एक एक्सप्रेशन है
Okay.
ठीक है तो समझ लो अभी इसमें जितना नज़दीक से देखेगा आपको बहुत कुछ डिटेल मिलेगा जैसे फिश हो गया जो एनिमल्स जो भी ट्रीज और उनका मंक्स भी हो बहुत होते हैं ठीक है तो ये एक्चुअली ये जो म्यूरल पेंटिंग है स्टाइल मेरा ही स्टाइल में बना दिया ये कोई कॉपी नहीं लोग क्या करते हैं कि मंदिर से उठा लेते हैं और उसका काम सेम टू सेम उतार देते हैं लेकिन मेरा एक क्रिएशन किया है बुद्धा का ओके और इसमें पीछे बहुत मंक्स वगैरह है डिटेल अब जैसे दूर से देखेगा आपको पूरा ये जितने मंक्स दिखेगा लेकिन बुद्धा भी दिखता है आपको दूर से भी दिखते हैं जैसे नज़दीक से आता है तो आपको बुद्धा स्टिल उधर ही है लेकिन ये जो मंक्स गायब हो जाता है जितना भी जीवन है जिसमें फिश हो गया एनिमल्स हो वो सब दिखता है आपको आप यही परेशान रहेगा सब में जीवन है खाली इंसान में नहीं और इसमें नहीं ठीक है ये है मेरा
Thank you. What are your hobbies and interests other than painting?
See, after retirement, whatever time I have, I am a member of some social organization where actually there are people who are in need of help. And I am concentrating on younger generation, especially all the college going children and all. If they have any problem in like particularly in service selection board interviews, I take them free of cost tuition and I guide them. Basically, most of the people, especially rural area, they are not aware of about their capabilities and also about the future. So I guide them because I think I also want to be part of the maybe 1% or 2% to be responsible for the growth of this country and the society. So that's what I will do.
What do you feel about this exhibition?
Yeah, it's very nice. See about Buddhas. This is mainly Nandan's painting, all depicting the Buddha. So concentrating Buddha. Buddha means it's very relevant nowadays at this critic world conditions, which is giving us, a message of peace, and it's very relevant message to all art lovers.
Okay, thank you. That was Colonel Sureshan explaining about his paintings and his work. With cameraman TK Srijit, this is Apurva Bhatt for Media Eye from Jahangir Art Gallery.